This song is dedicated to the late Etta James. May God rest his soul. Something told me it was over. When I saw you and him walking, something deep in my soul said, cry, boy. When I saw you walking away now, baby, I would rather go blind, babe.
Rather go blind
Than to see you walk away from me. See, I love you so much, I don't want to see you leave me, baby. Most of all, I don't want to be free. I was just seeing nothing about your kiss and your warm embrace now, darling. When the reflection of the glass that I had to my lips now, babe, reveal the tears I had on my face. I would rather go blind,
rather go blind
than to see you walk away from me.
Something told me it is over, babe. When I saw you with her, you were talking. Something deep down in my soul to say, go ahead and cry now, good. When I saw you in the tank, girl, I just walk on by. See, I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me. Yeah. See, I love you so much, I don't want to see you leave. And one more thing, don't want to be free, no, babe. Oh, I was just sitting and thinking, yeah, about your kiss and your warm embrace, baby. Yeah, and reflection of your glass
much.